arrived in Santorini last night after a crazy experience at the airport. Wait, I want to get your reaction.
I'm very silent about this stuff.
Wait, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just want to show them what we're seeing.
Yeah, really nice.
Isn't it? Some coffee, some breakfast. They made me a nice little flat omelet, which was very nice of them. Some pastries, olive. We got 2 chairs for 15.
And an umbrella.
And an umbrella, and we have this amazing view. We're gonna just chill for a bit, and then explore this little town, and then go to Ia later in the afternoon. Just had lunch, and now we're ordering some espressos because it is still very, very tiring today. So we need a little pick-me-up. So we're gonna go back to the hotel after we get our coffee, and then our hotel, one of the managers is giving us a ride into Ia for the day, which was very, very kind of him to offer. So.
From the mother's side, the mother chooses either her friend.
So we got a villa. Here's the bed. It's so beautiful. Here's the bathroom. Oh wow, it's big. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Super nice. And then, oh, it's really clean too. And then, let's see, we have a full kitchen. Dinner, Greek salad. Hello. We're walking up. We're walking up these steps. It's gonna be like probably 1,000 steps back up to Ia, but look at this insane view, Ramin.
Yeah.
Wow. Like, look at this.
Beautiful.
No, look at here. Look at that. We were just down there for dinner. It was absolutely beautiful. And yeah, it's gonna be, this is where we're going. There, but we have to go all up those stairs. Yes!
Yeah, belly, yeah.
That's so pretty.
Getting confused.
El gato. Hi, kitty. Ramin is in our little apartment, and then we're gonna go to watch the sunset from way over on the other side where it's less crowded. It is very crowded all throughout the main center and area, so we wanted to get away from the crowds and enjoy the view. Truly my favorite place that I've ever traveled to. As touristy as it is, it's breathtaking. It's a once-in-a-lifetime view, and it's a dream. Favorite place ever.
Like flip-flops.
Walking towards the sunset. It's looking gorge.
Wow.
Wow. Let's see if we can zoom in. Wow. so beautiful. Ramin, look at this view. Good morning. Ramin and I, it's 8 o'clock. It's our second morning in Santorini, first one in Ia, and we decided to go on an early morning walk before we get breakfast. Service breakfast out on our terrace and balcony, so we're gonna have this view as we eat, which I'm very excited about. We thought we would go around and take a stroll before the crowds settle in, since it's still early enough in the day that there aren't that many people out. But yeah, it's breathtaking and just feels unreal every single time we look out here.
They're wet.
Is it?
Stone. Little.
Make it look dark. Breakfast. Got a little basket with some bread, some hard-boiled egg, coffee, orange juice, and fruit.
This is a moat that goes all the way around. That's why it's a nice one.
That looks so fun, huh?
It's a lot.
Good morning. So we are currently in Old Town Roads, and we just had breakfast, and we're planning on doing a day trip to Lindos today. So we're trying to catch the bus. It's currently 8:33, and we're gonna get the 9 o'clock bus, and it's about a 15-minute
No
walk
sweater or
away.
anything?
Anyway, we're on the way. We'll see how long it takes. No one's staring at us. He's staring at you?
Yeah, he's on, but I
Yeah,
can tell
exactly. I don't care. In the future, you're gonna watch these back and be like, oh, that was such a great time. Made it to St. Paul's Bay in Lindos, and it's beautiful. We were really worried that we weren't gonna get a seat or like beach chairs, but there were so many available. We've moved around a few times. We found our spot, and Ramin went swimming earlier. How was the water? Excelente.
Very good.
One of the most beautiful beaches he's ever been to. I would have to agree. I think we're just gonna chill here for a little bit and then go and explore the town and maybe get some food, walk around a bit. Getting some lunch. We got some meatballs, fish tacos,
Water.
some water.
Apricot?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
It's nice, right? What the heck? Okay, be careful. Oh! That was a big bite. This is so good. Hey, just got dinner. Are you excited? Prawns. It's the best croissant I've ever had in my life. I don't even like croissants, but let's see. It's so good. Good morning, vlog. Today is Sunday. We're still in Rhodes. It's day 2 or third day in Rhodes, and we are going to explore the town. Yesterday we went to Lindos for the entire day, which was very nice, but it was kind of tiring. We're gonna explore the city of Rhodes, like the new city and the old city, and just kind of we have no plan or schedule. We're just gonna go where it seems exciting and fun. And then tomorrow we are leaving Rhodes and going to Italy. So we want to get as much done as possible today as we can. The other thing we're having issues with is trying to figure out where to do our laundry. Today's Sunday, so everything is closed.
I thought we were good.
Yeah, so we're gonna give our laundry to the hotel and they're gonna drop it off for us.
We never had any issues. We asked the guy, he said he could do it, and
Well, we're having issues because we didn't know when we were leaving tomorrow and just all kinds of stuff like that. I'm just recording this to show that we totally got scammed in Lindos. All of these vases are $7.50 at this dollar store here, and we paid like $30. But I did find some very, very cute bracelets.
we supported an old man.
We did support an old man.
It was nice.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna buy these. Just strolling around, going to the harbor, trying to get coffee. Right next to the harbor.
Starbucks.
Really?
Over here.
It's messed up. This was originally my coffee, and he has since drank this much.
No way.
Yes, you have.
You literally put your fingers were taking the entire cup.
Okay, it was up to here, and you drank all of
Like
it.
he drank this much. You wanted me to vlog you, so.
Can you say stuff?
I thought you wanted me to vlog. You wanted to vlog. You wanted to be vlogged
Ask me a question.
by someone else.
Like these gardens. So nice.
What are you asking me?
I asked if you want the rest.
What did you say earlier? What were you talking about? What I was doing earlier, or what I did to that drink?
You drink it?
Yeah, but now you can't finish it all.
No, I can. I'm asking if you want the rest.
Even though you just said I drank so much of it.
Just being nice.
You being nice to me? Hoping for a little more.